Oh, the Dad Cave coming back to you with another video, and I got a quick, easy weekend DIY project for you. Check it out, it's right here behind me. It's these hanging wine bottle lamps, but they got solar powered LEDs in them. So let me show you how I made them. And if you want to see it all lit up, you're gonna have to wait till the end of the video for that. So stick around. For this project, you're going to start with your favorite wine bottle. You can purchase blue wine bottles like this on Amazon, or find something at the store and share it with your friends and family. Personally, I would rather share a bottle with friends and family any day. To get the label off of the wine bottle, simply use a razor to begin peeling the label from the bottle. To get rid of the last remaining parts of the label and any adhesive, spray a little WD-40 on the bottle and continue scraping the remainder of the label. A little goes a long way, you don't need much. Then simply wash the bottle with some dish soap to remove any residue. The list of parts you see on the screen are what you'll need to make one wine bottle light. I'll leave it up for a moment so you can take a screenshot. I was able to find the mounting hardware at Lowe's, but not Home Depot. For the 3/4 inch threaded rod, I bought a 12-inch long piece and cut 3-inch pieces from it, which you will see in the video. If you're able to find a threaded rod in 3-inch lengths, you'll be able to save time and not have to cut it. Lucky for me, I have an angle grinder with a diamond blade. If you don't have one, you can use a hacksaw instead. It'll just take you a little bit longer. I'm wrapping the bottle with Teflon tape where the clamp will be to create a more snug fit. The 3/4 inch clamp is just slightly larger than the diameter of the bottleneck. Depending on the diameter of the bottleneck you are using, you may be able to skip this step. You'll notice I'm placing the clamp just under the lip of the bottle. When securing the clamp, gently tighten the screws with even pressure on both sides until they are snug. No need to over tighten the clamps. So apparently I forgot I was filming a YouTube video. The sound you are hearing is me filing down the threaded rod where I cut it. You may need to do this to thread it into the clamp. And now for the lights. I found these solar LED fairy lights on Amazon. And you'll notice I'm just stuffing the lights further down into the bottle periodically to make room for the rest of the strand. Alright, so here it is done. It is up on the fence, and one of the reasons that I chose to do this project this way is because it really makes it simple and you don't need a whole lot of fancy tools to get this done. Now, the other thing that's cool about this is it's not sealed off, so you're not going to get any moisture buildup inside the bottle, and if you do get a little water in there from the rain or things like that, all you got to do is just use a slight tipping motion, kind of similar to this. And then you put it back after you drain all the water out. I'm going to enjoy a little bit more of this while I wait for the sun to go down, and then you can check it out all lit up. Yeah, who am I kidding? I don't have that kind of patience. Check it out. How cool is that? All right, well, I gotta go. I'm getting attacked by mosquitoes out here. Anyhow, I will see you on the next video. Make sure you get out there and build, drink, repeat.